Hey there, it's Diana. I have nail mail from Apres Nail, and I'm going to unbox this for you so you can see what I got. The first thing I got is the Omega Mini Flash Cure Light. This has been out of stock for quite some time. It looks like they just released this new edition of it. It comes in black as well as a nude color. I purchased the black, but it charges via USB charger, which is really nice, and it holds a charge for up to 4 hours, it looks like. There's a magnetic dock that you can dock it to. It's not included in the price of this flashlight, but I did purchase it separately, which I'll show you today. And it looks like it comes with a USB charger. It's 2 watts and it's roughly 6 by 1 inches, so it's fairly small. 3.2 ounces. Now this is really pretty. Look at that. Look how sleek it looks. It doesn't turn on right now because it's not plugged in, but I will be charging it and using it and testing it out. Very cute. I love it. Now here is the magnetic stand that you can clip this flashlight to, but it also can clip your phone. If you have a magnetic backing to it, you can put your phone on that. Here's the picture of the box, so you can clip your flashlight or your phone. See, it's kind of cool. Now this is a pretty substantial weighted stand, so your phone doesn't tip over. It's a nice weight on it. Let's see here. I don't know how you would stick this on there. Ah, here it is. There's the magnet right there, I think. It's magnetized. Got it. Ugh. So I gotta play around with this just a little bit to kind of understand how this would stick. Because as you can see here, it kind of slides right off. Not to say that I'm using it correctly. This is my first time seeing this. The stand itself, the magnet portion of it, it swivels. I don't know if it's removable. But this thing swivels 360 degrees. Very nice. Here's the bottom of it. See, there's a protective layer. Let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, so this bottom is more like, it's not rubber, but it's not smooth either, so that it should stick to your table pretty nicely and not slide around. It comes with these little magnets, and I'll test it out and I'll insert a clip towards the end of this video, just so you guys can see how it works. And the other thing I purchased, if I recall correctly, is their equivalent to builder gel, but HEMA free. So it's called Extend Gel Sensitive. Yeah, it's equivalent to a builder gel. So I wanted to give this a try because I am very sensitive to gels. I'm allergic to a lot of them. So let me give this a try and I'll let you guys know how it goes in another video. And last but not least, I got a few different drill bits here. So the first one I got was, let's see if it has a name here. It's called the Mini Polygon bit, and it's ceramic, but it's a little tiny cuticle bit. I don't have this one yet, but it'll go nicely around the cuticle area to clean up any gel messes. Anything that your other bits can't get into. And this is another cuticle bit, and it's called the Under Nail Cleaner Conical Shape Bit, and it's also ceramic. And this one is more of a pointier bit. And I think this is meant to also do general cleanup and underneath. I don't have these yet, so I just decided to purchase it just so that I can meet the $100 minimum to get free shipping. And this is a really random one, but I wear the Stiletto natural short Apres Gel X tips, and I just purchased another bag. I bought a bunch during the 20% sale already, but I just bought this so that I can meet the $100 minimum. All right, well that concludes my unboxing. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, make sure you do so. I do a lot of different tutorials, reviews, unboxing, things like that. Well, have a great day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. I wanted to show you really quick. There was a piece of film here that I just peeled off, and when I did that, it makes the flashlight stick a lot easier, like a lot more secure. It's still gonna fall if you go upside down, but if it's gonna be at an angle, it looks like it's gonna stay okay. But the magnet portion is where the number is here. I think you can also, nope, it just stays, this is where it is, right here. So you could keep it and cure your nails just hands-free, which is really nice. And there was a little box here that had the USB charging cable. And the cord is pretty long. It looks to be about, if I'm going to be estimating, about 2 feet long. And these little buttons right here, it's the charging cable. I was wondering what that was. So that just kind of like magnetized right in there, right there. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and get this charged up. And also it does come with a set of instructions and warranty. I haven't looked at it yet, but it seems pretty self-explanatory. There's a button here that probably turns it on and off type thing. So I'm gonna give it a charge real quick, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it works. So I've had this for a couple days now, and I've had an opportunity to play around with it. Here's the flash cure light. And just to show you, there's 3 buttons here, 1, 2, 3. It's currently on red, so that tells me there's less than 10% of battery life in it and that I need to charge it. So here's the serial number, that's where the magnet is, and it's still gonna stay just fine. And you can swivel this up and down, sideways, and when you turn it on, there's a little bit of juice left in it. There's the blue LED light. But it did take roughly, I would say they were right on it, about 4 hours for it to fully charge. So when I do have it plugged into charge, let me show you. This light right here is going to be yellow. That means that it's charging right now. What I also wanted to mention is that after the video, I had put the magnetic backing and I taped it, essentially. I stuck it to my phone case and not my phone, because in my car I do have a like a wireless charger that I need to not have a magnetic backing on my phone. So I put it on my phone case instead, so that when I'm in my car driving, I can remove the case and I can still use my car charger. On the side of my nightstand, I also have a wireless charging station, and I can't have a magnet on my phone. So at night, or when I'm driving, I remove the case on my iPhone and then I charge it that way. But this concludes the end of my tutorial and an unboxing. I actually really enjoyed this light very much. I've used it a few times since then to apply my Gel X tips, things like that, and it works just fine. I love that it's hands-free and the sleekness of it. The price point is a little bit more on the expensive side, but considering that you can buy a magnetic stand, which is a really heavy weighted stand, that you're not in addition to your light, but your phone can clip to it as well. And it's Apres, guys. It's good quality, and look at the sleekness of it. It's really pretty, and it cures nail art as well as your Gel X extensions just fine. This concludes the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see future unboxing hauls and other tutorials. Have a great day. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.